The two sets of fans are in voice for this Dream League live game. We've got an exciting match ahead. A cheer goes up as we start the match. Lovely pass. What a well-timed tackle. That's good link-up play. Cancelo. Salah. Good distribution. Alisson collects. Hakimi. He's thrown it long. Throw in here. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. Good, clean challenge. Silva. Now it's Vinicius. He's got the ball at his feet. Play to his teammate. Won the ball. It's a throw-in. Long throw there. Some really fluid passing on display. Surely now! And Messi scores. And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the score sheet. And it's half-time and still only 1-0. Will we see more goals in the second half? And that's lofted upfield. Haaland shoots. They've levelled the match. The manager will be pleased with getting back into this game and hope they can grab another goal. Neymar. Haaland drives forward. Benzema. The finish was just off there and it's wide. Throw in here. Rudiger. What an opportunity! Oh, it's gone in! Let's take a closer look at that goal now. This is Rodrigo. Salah. Benzema. Just can't seem to get into this game. They need to press higher upfield to start creating chances again. Surely now! Oh, that's a big call. He's bringing on 5 new players. Skriniar. But it It really has been a clean game today. No cards just yet. Benzema. This player's taking charge and moving down the flanks. Diaz tackles. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. There's frustration seen coming from the bench right now. The manager won't be pleased. This is Haaland. Benzema on the run. Is this the moment? Oh, so close. They're firing on all cylinders. They sense they can score more goals. And it's back to the keeper. And the referee calls play back for offside. The team are looking so relaxed on the ball. Thrilling game, a great lesson to all upcoming footballers on how the game should be played.